Yeah, you know what we're doing today. New belt, tensioner, everything. I don't think nothing wrong with this one, but it's making a little noise, so we're swapping everything out. Put everything brand new. New belt system, tensioner, a pulley. So we solve the noise problem. Okay. I gotta remove this one. We're turning this one and that one. We're putting on a new belt so we kill the squeaky noise. I think that's pretty much what it is. For this job, you're gonna need a 3/8 to release the belt. Pretty easy. So we got one hand doing it. So you see, we can pop the belt out. Pretty easy. I really don't see nothing wrong with that belt. Look like it's a new belt too, so not too sure why. But we're gonna change it anyway. We're gonna need a 13 for the pulley. Pretty quick. And 16 for the tensioner. That's the only great two parts we need. Swapping out. And this is out. One. Okay. So no pulley. Down in. Pretty smooth. And also remember to take a picture to see the diagram of the belt. And also for this one, only can go one way. That's why I got the little stopper right here. The stopper goes in there, that little groove, so it won't move. Okay. You see? Old one, new one. Plug this out the way. We got time, drive the top one. It's really not that hard. So basically everything is changed. No tensioner. And pulley right here. I didn't change the belt. because the one that they sent me is too long. So with the same old belt, we'll see if it's gonna keep making that squeaky sound. That's it. Job is done. I guess we got success. No more noise. So we're good on that one. But now we got fire sharing fluid that's leaking, so we gotta check that out. I think I know what it is. Probably the seal on that one. I did a couple of these before. Yep.